Hi, it's Joe from WHR Marketing, and today we're going to focus on the AMZScout FBA calculator. So this is a free extension on Google Chrome. So if you go to the Chrome Web Store, just type in AMZScout FBA calculator, you'll find it there. Once you've added it, head over to Amazon. So here I found a product, so it's a back support product, and all you're going to do is click up here to where the extension is. Okay. Right, what this does, it shows you the price of the product, and it's already worked out the product weight, size, for example, which will then feed into what the fulfillment fees and the referral fees will be. Okay, AMZScout, the algorithms know the estimated monthly sales, so it's saying for this product 983 sales have been made. So if all we need to do now is head over to this bit. So once we've sourced this product, okay, or found out the fees for sourcing this product, we can then work out if it's a profitable product. So let's say we go to Alibaba or whatever supplier we want to use, and let's say our supplier is charging us for this £20 product, they are charging us £4 per product with £1 shipping. Okay, and then we can also say we might do some cost per click, so we might use Amazon sponsors ads at £1 per cost per click. Okay, I would leave the taxes. I don't think this is relevant. It doesn't. I don't believe this works properly on the AMZScout. It's not necessary, so just leave that blank. So we've got the product price. Now if we look down here, okay, so we can see the total FBA fees is these two here. So it's £10.73. It's taken note of these, so £4,566 plus 10, which will leave roughly this. So profit per unit is £4.27, which is a net profit margin of 21% and a return of interest of 85%. So at if we look at the profit after everything at £4, say, let's pretend this was 1,000. You're looking at £4,000 per month roughly. Okay, so I would definitely say this is a profitable item. Okay, and that is exactly how you use the AMZScout FBA calculator. Okay, like I said, it's already calculated the fulfillment fees and the referral fees based on the product weight and size, etc. What I will leave in the description below, okay, is this really useful guide to shipping weight and fulfillment fee per unit that Amazon charges. Okay, and on the AMZScout, I'm sure you saw my previous videos, you'll see that the standard size is what we should be aiming for in a product. Okay, because the standard is so much cheaper to keep in the Amazon warehouses. So standard item fees, it ranges from $1.97 to a large standard, which is all the way up to $5.42. But if you're going to the next category, small oversize, you're looking anywhere from $8 to a special oversize of $137 per item. Okay, so I will leave this in the description below. Make sure you work out your Amazon FBA fees, and this guide has everything you need. If you prefer reading blogs, I've got the AMZScout review on our website, so I'll put that in the link below. If we go down to pricing, I'll also leave in this link below. We have a special deal on the Amazon seller bundle, so we've agreed an exclusive discount to save our audience $844 with the Amazon sellers bundle, or you can get the Pro extension, which is cheaper. But if you look at the Amazon seller bundle, you get all of these things that I've talked about, including the FBA calculator, which you won't if you just get the Pro extension on your own. So that's basically it. Amazon Pro extension, for $10 more you get the Pro extension and all of these things that we've gone through in the video, which for me, for $10 more per month, I don't think you can beat that. Last of all, WHR Marketing offer SEO-friendly e-commerce product description writing. So if you don't know how to optimize your listings, we can do that for you, so I'll put that in the link below. Please subscribe and like our video. What I want to end on is the comments, so please tell me your favorite Amazon FBA tool, or if you don't want to say that, please tell us the item that you've profited from the most on Amazon and what was the most profit you've made. I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.